What's up and welcome to Dustin Off the Pans, where I'm going to show you guys how to make a one-pot crock pot chicken meal that's going to have your family begging for more. I'm going to show you guys how to put this all together in a crock pot. Give me just a minute. Alright there folks, so now that we have the onions diced, the carrots chopped in nice little cubes, the potatoes all cut in half, the delicious mushrooms all chopped up, we've had the chicken marinating for about an hour in the Worcestershire sauce. What we're going to do is we're going to throw everything in the crock pot, and make sure you grease that crock pot before you throw everything in. You get your crock pot preheated. What you're going to do, you're going to toss that chicken right in there. Okay. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to throw all your vegetables in, but you're going to layer them a certain way. Okay. You're going to put the potatoes right on top of the chicken. You want those to be towards the bottom because that's where most of the heat is going to be. And they'll cook evenly and a little bit better. Then you're going to put some of your one diced onion right on top of there. Next, you're going to throw your carrots right on top of that. Gonna add some pepper. I like fresh crushed pepper. There's nothing like it. Then you're gonna throw some onion powder right in there. Quite a bit of onion powder. Just makes everything real homey. Then a little bit of your Lowry's garlic salt. I'll make sure to put the recipe in the description below, as I do all of my videos. Then what we're going to do, I'm going to throw the can of Thai coconut soup. I'm going to shake it up real good. Pop that baby open. I'm going to toss that right on top of all this here. Alright. I'm going to give that a little bit of a stir. Alright. Just so all the vegetables get nice and coated up. All that wonderful flavor. Get some of that Lowry's salt and onion salt mixed down towards the bottom on the chicken. Alright, I'm going to smash that all down real nice. And on top, I'm going to put the mushrooms. That way they just steam and don't just completely die and cook, you know what I'm saying? Alright. I mean, they will, because they're going to be in there for a while, but, you know. What I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to add a little bit more onion salt, or onion powder, right on top. A little bit more freshly cracked pepper. We'll let that go on high for about 4 hours.
And there she is, guys, just cooking away, nice and sweet like. I wish it would cook faster, but it tastes so good.
Alright, so 4 hours later, let's see how it looks. Ooh, a little steamy. Let's go ahead and check the chicken in the bottom here. Let's go ahead and look at the potatoes. Ah, potatoes look great. Let's look at this chicken in the bottom here. Oh, it's just falling apart. That falling apart chicken, that's, oh yeah, that's exactly what you want. Beautiful. Well, turned out great. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. We made some awesome crock pot chicken today. We used one pot for the whole entire meal. Cutting board, crock pot, done. No mess, not much of a cleanup. That's how I like to cook. So as you can see, it's delicious. Chicken, carrots, onions, mushrooms, deliciousness, home flavor, salt and pepper to taste when it hits your plate. And always remember, if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe below and smash that bell so you don't miss an episode. And until next time, keep cooking, and we'll see you later.